Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to verify your TikTok account. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok and here that option of verify your account is in the settings and privacy of the app. And the first step is go to TikTok, and after that I will go to profile. And here in the profile, you need to go to the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines. And here you got a panel with three options: Creator Tools, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. So you need to pick in Settings and Privacy. And after that, you need to pick in the first option of Account. So here in Account, you got a lot of options: Account, Password, Passkey, switch to business account. So you need to pick in the first option of account information, and after that you need to go to the option of email. And here the only thing you need to do is put your email and pick in send code, and after that the only thing you need to do is put the code and you verify your account. So this is an easy process to do. This is the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.